Idiom is a phrase which can be used in your day-to-day conversation. I call Upada for idiom.
This idiom is at the drop of a hat, meaning without any hesitation. I repeat, at the drop of a hat, meaning without any hesitation.
Thank you, Upada. U stands for North, East, West, South. So for making updated, I call Nadir for news.
Today's news headlines are as follows. ISRO to launch GS-1831 communication satellite today. Is Kolkata SIT shielding top politicians in Sarada chief fund scam? Donald Trump to call for bipartisan unity after mocking schemes on Twitter. Madhya Pradesh leading orthopedic doctor kills driver. In Madhya Pradesh, this time under Congress, 3 held under NSA for cow slaughter. Need composite strategy to resolve farm crisis, says Rahul Gandhi. India gets consular access to 117 students detained in US. Thank you.
Thank you, Nadir. Now for entertaining you all and making your day a better one, I call Saeed.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saib and I'm here to entertain you guys. So, as you know the rules, so there is just an addiction to the rule that I won't be able to say the answers to you all. You should at least try to say, because as you know, failure is a stepping stone to success. So, actually I won't be revealing the answer, you have to reveal by yourself. Let's start with the first question. What 5 letters word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? I repeat, what 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Short.
Correct answer. The second question, which letter of the alphabet has more water?
C.
Correct answer. What has to be broken before you use it?
Dumb and duff, all
I repeat, what has to be broken before you use it? Correct answer.
dumb and duff. No clap, nothing. No reaction.
Fourth question, where does Friday come before Thursday? I repeat, where does Friday come before Thursday? It's a type of a guide.
Last week.
Wrong answer.
Tomorrow.
Wrong answer. Always the English teacher tells you to refer the guide, right? So what type of guide is this?
Yesterday.
Wrong answer. Wrong answer. The answer is in the dictionary. So the fifth one is what has 4 wheels and flies? I repeat, what has 4 wheels and flies? A garbage truck. Sixth one, a fly without wings. I cry without eyes. What am I?
Cloud.
Correct answer. The answer is cloud. Seventh one, the more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I?
Footsteps.
Right answer. The last one, I am a drink. I am also an alphabet. Who am I? Who am I? Correct answer. Thank you, everyone.
D.
Thank you, Saeed. Now I call Abdullah to enlighten us with the motivational story.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm from Abdullah from class 9B. This motivational stories will encourage to follow your dreams, treat others with kindness and never give up upon yourself. The story begins. 2 friends were walking through the desert. At one stage in their journey, they had argument and one friend slapped the another one in the face. The one who got slapped was hurt, but without saying anything, he wrote in sand, "Today my best friend slapped me in the face." They kept on walking until they found an oasis. They divided to have a wash. The one who had been slapped got stuck into the mire and started drowning, but his friend saved him. After he had recovered from his shock, he wrote on the stone, "Today my best friend saved my life." The friend who slapped and saved his best friend asked him, after I hurt you, you wrote in the sand, and now you wrote in the stone. Why? The other best friend replied, When someone hurt us, we should write it on in the sand where when forgiveness can be erased it away. But when someone does something good for us, we must engrave it on the stone where no one can ever erase it. The moral of the story is focus on the good thing in your life. Please close your eyes and ponder upon the story. Close your eyes and ponder upon the story.
Last but not the least, I request the last servant to read our assembly.